Hey, look, I love it. We finally got someone that's here and ready to do the job. Okay, this is the SEC chair, Paul Atkins. He is in favor of self custody, guys. This is something big for you and I, right? Not for the asset managers, but for the regular general public, guys, the masses. Hear me out. The fact that the SEC chair is in favor of self custody and that he does understand the importance of it. Let's just see how he sets the mood for this roundtable, guys. Check him out.
Not a duly promulgated rule with a force of law, so we cannot stop there. The Securities and Exchange Commission must adopt a regulation based on the authority that Congress has given us. Another core feature of blockchain technology is the ability of individuals to have self-custody of crypto assets in a personal digital wallet. The right to have self-custody of one's private property is a foundational American value that should not disappear when one logs on to the internet. I'm in favor of affording greater flexibility to market participants to self-custody crypto assets, especially where intermediation imposes unnecessary transaction costs or restricts the ability to engage in staking and other on-chain activities. Unfortunately, the prior administration undermined innovation in self-custodial digital wallets and other on-chain technologies by asserting through regulatory actions that the developers of such software may be conducting brokerage activity. Engineers should not be subject to the federal securities laws solely for publishing this type of software code. As one court put it, it would be irrational to hold the developer of a self-driving car liable, and here quoting from the court's decision, quote, for a third party's use of the car to commit a traffic violation or rob a bank. In those circumstances, one would not sue the car company for facilitating the wrongdoing. They would sue the individual who committed the wrong. And here just recently, the Supreme Court in a case regarding firearms underlined that particular sentiment. Many entrepreneurs are developing software applications that are designed to function without administration by any operator. The idea of self-executing software code that's accessible to everyone but controlled by no one, and that enables private peer-to-peer transactions may sound like science fiction. But blockchain technology makes possible an entirely new class of software that can perform these functions without an intermediary. I do not believe that we should allow a century-old regulatory framework to stifle innovation with technologies that could upend and, most importantly, improve and advance our current traditional intermediated model. We should not automatically fear the future. These on-chain self-executing software systems have proven to be resilient in the face of crises. While centralized platforms wavered and failed under recent stresses, many on-chain systems continue to operate as designed, pursuant to open source code. Most current securities rules and regulations are premised on the regulation of issuers and intermediaries, such as broker-dealers, investment advisors, exchanges, and clearing agencies. The drafters of these rules and regulations likely did not contemplate that self-executing software code might displace such issuers and intermediaries. I've asked the Commission staff to explore whether further guidance